the first shade I'm going in with is Kai Kai from Lunar Beauty's Life's a Drag palette, and I'm putting that on my outer corner, and I am smoking it out. And I put it on a couple of times just to make it brighter and darker, and then I keep smoking it out. Then I'm going in with the shade Campy from that same palette, blending it in my inner corner, and then blending it into the middle, basically just blending those two shades together. I packed it on a couple of times, and then here I am blending it with a small blending brush. And then I'm going to go in with Cake Face from the same palette and then brighten up my brow bone. And then just blend that all together. Make sure it's nice and seamless. And then I'm going in with the shade Light Pink from the Mehron makeup palette. It's the Paradise 30 color palette. Amazing. That's all I have to say. Just putting that on my brows. And then I forgot to film this part, and I realized clearly afterwards, but I'm just putting basically this lightning bolt looking thing on my forehead, and it's just what was in the reference photo. And I'm taking the shades Yellow and Light Pink from the Mehron palette, and then doing the same on under my eye, putting the yellow shade in between just like the top. And then I'm just going to blend it out a bit. Make it look a little bit more seamless, a little bit more realistic. And then I just put the light pink, and I think I mixed like a dark pink all over my chest. And then I'm just going with the light, yellow, and I think it's yellow, and I forget the shade, yellow and mango, and I think a little bit of orange. And I tried to do this lava coming out of my mouth thing. I tried. It didn't work 100% to my liking, but that'll do. And then I'm just going to keep filling this in. Next time, if I ever did this look again, I would put a little bit more orange and try to blend it a little bit better, because I don't think it just wasn't exactly what I was envisioning, but it was the first time I ever did something like this, so bear with me. Then I'm just blending this on my jawline and using the shade Mother from the Kat Von D, her liquid lipsticks. I'm putting that on my lips, and then I'm using the Lunar Beauty blush palette. Amazing shades. I love literally all of them. They're so buttery. And then just putting, Kai Kai on my lower lash line. And then that's basically it for the look. I'm going to put a little bit of yellow on my inner corners and then my lower lash line. And that's it for the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and there will be more to come. Bye.